In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the FlightRadar 24 app for PC. While FlightRadar 24 does not currently offer a dedicated desktop app for Windows or Mac OS, the good news is that you can easily access it through your web browser. This method allows you to enjoy all the features of FlightRadar 24 directly on your PC without any complicated installations. You'll see live maps, flight statuses, and airport delay trackers right from your browser. This accessibility is key for anyone who wants to track flights quickly and efficiently. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the FlightRadar 24 website. You can do this by typing in the URL www.flightradar24.com. Once the page loads, you will notice a clean interface displaying live flight data. This is the central hub where you can monitor flights in real time. The website is mobile-friendly, which means it is designed for ease of use on both tablets and desktops. This ensures that you can access all the features without any hassle. Next, we will turn the FlightRadar 24 website into an app-like shortcut on your desktop. This is a great way to have quick access to live maps and flight information without needing to open your browser each time. So, from the FlightRadar 24 website, look for the three-dot menu located in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Clicking this menu will reveal several options. It is important to know where this menu is, as it provides access to various features that enhance your browsing experience. Now, select the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. This may seem like a simple step, but it's crucial for creating that shortcut. In this menu, you will find the feature that allows you to install the website as an app. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as you won't need to remember the URL or search for it in your bookmarks. Once you've selected that option, look for Install Page as App. Click on it and a confirmation window will pop up. This is your opportunity to finalize the installation process. Confirm by clicking the Install button. After you do this, you will see the FlightRadar 24 icon appear alongside your other apps on your desktop. This means you successfully created a shortcut, and now you can access FlightRadar 24 like any other application on your computer. FlightRadar 24 officially offers mobile apps for Android and iPhone/iPad, but the web version works seamlessly on computers too. It also supports subscriptions across devices. This flexibility allows you to track flights regardless of the device you are using. Whether you are at your desk or on the go, you can stay updated with real-time flight data. Using the web version on your PC is a smart choice if you prefer a larger screen for a better viewing experience. In conclusion, while FlightRadar 24 does not have a dedicated desktop app, turning their website into an app-like shortcut provides a practical solution. By following these steps, you can enjoy easy access to flight tracking on your PC. As you continue to explore the features, you'll find it's a powerful tool for anyone interested in aviation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using FlightRadar 24 on your desktop.